आम ले लो सेलम साली पेड़ की डाली मामा लाए 44 की सड़क दिल धड़क धड़क होते बेटा सी शराबी हो दिया कसी गुलाबी ए फॉर आटा बी फॉर बाटा सी फॉर चाटा डी फॉर डाकू पेट वाला चाकू आए मेरे बाबू। यार पैसे तो कमाने हैं ना यार दिव्या। रोटी खादी या कि नहीं कल्ली माँ पुछदी किन्ने डॉलर कमाए बाकी सारे पुछ ले। बाल कैसे लग रहे हैं? So yeah, like it's like it was just an off term for that. That's it, you know. If I wouldn't have used that term, you wouldn't have spoken about it.
पहले तो था कब है होली कब है होली. Now it is कब है vaccine.
That's true, yeah. And also, I mean, see, even if the vaccine comes, a lot of people will be skeptical about the fact कि अभी ये try करनी है कि नहीं करनी, because people will not know about the side effects and this and that. So everybody will be little iffy in the head कि यार ये करवाना है कि नहीं करवाना. पता लगे कुछ उल्टा स्यापा पड़ गया. कि यहाँ पे US का फलाना जगह पे, you know, you'll have this fancy stay and a fancy way of getting the vaccine done and this and that. So yeah, all of it is coming. Let's see what happens. What's happening, yaar? How are you? All good, Divya?
We've been doing very well. The virus has sort of halted our lives, but we're sort of making every effort to go back to the previous phase of life that we were enjoying.
True, absolutely. Sure I think the cycle needs to get back. Yeah, I mean, unless that happens, the energy will not come back. The charm of working, the charm of partying, the charm of you only want to party when you work hard and work.
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, that cycle will not come back. So hoping it has already started to come back. I hope it gets back to normal as soon as possible. I think that's when everybody will start enjoying life.
तो कब आ रही है वैक्सीन? पहले तो था कब है होली. Now it is कब है vaccine.
That's true, yeah. And also, I mean, see, even if the vaccine comes, a lot of people will be skeptical about the fact कि अभी ये try करनी है कि नहीं करनी, because people will not know about the side effects and this and that. So everybody will be little iffy in the head कि यार ये करवाना है कि नहीं करवाना. पता लगे कुछ उल्टा स्यापा पड़ गया.
स्यापे तो इतने हो चुके हैं, एक और स्यापा हो गया तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
That's also true in a way. एक और स्यापा हो तो दिक्कत नहीं है. You're right about that. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Then I just got to know that the different packages coming from travel agents. कि यहाँ पे US का फलाना जगह पे, you'll have this fancy stay and a fancy way of getting the vaccine done and this and that. So yeah, all of it is coming. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. So this is like called vaccine vacation, right? What you're talking about, कि आप US में, we'll have stay organized for you. Then one day for vaccination, and then your travel back to your original country. I mean, what was your initial reaction to this? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये तो vaccination tourism हो गया शुरू.
Yeah, I was just thinking. I was rather looking at the positive. Okay, someone has some kind of work to put it together and earn some bucks. That's what. यार लोगों को काफी टाइम से लोगों ने पैसे नहीं कमाए हैं. Okay, so किसी ने अपना आइडिया लगा के एक स्कीम बनाई है जहां से वो पैसे कमा सकता है. Good for him. Kudos to him. God bless you, bro. So yeah.
लग रहा है कि ये भी पंजाबी दिमाग ही होगा.
नहीं ये मेरे I have a lot of Banya friends, I have a lot of Guju friends, I have a lot of Sindhi friends, I have a lot of Marwari friends. ये वो दिमाग होगा. So definitely. So life की जितनी भी money wise calculation I learned from them, I think the way they are brought up, it is just in their system. It is amazing to see how they function. So I'm just trying to learn a thing or two from them.
Yes. So how's the year been for you, Apar? I mean, it's been like the bad, ugly, and the good for most of us. But I was going through your Instagram account, and वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी चीजें मतलब देखने को मिली. मतलब अंदाज अपना का पंजाबी version आ गया lockdown के अंदर, and there's so many promotions that were keeping you busy. You're dancing with your dad. I mean, there's this break dance that you suddenly break into. तो मतलब lockdown period आपके लिए तो काफी अच्छा रहा.
Yeah, I mean, Chennai is not as affected as Delhi or Bombay because of COVID. So you always kind of tend to come back and relax with your family. And my mother very frequently says from the past 7-8 months, हमारे लिए तो अच्छा हो गया COVID. हमारे लिए हुआ है COVID. Yeah, I mean, she has both the sons back, both the daughter-in-laws back. She has grandkids back. This is the first time it has happened, in the past 10-12 years. So yeah, I mean, it's they're in a very happy phase. So touch wood, they are happy, so we are happy. So I've caught up with all my school friends, my college friends, my family friends, my neighbors, and it's amazing to meet all of them after so many years. And आराम से इत्मीनान से मिलना एक अलग बात होती है ना. पहले touch and go होता था, 2 मिनट से चाय पी, okay, now you have to vanish. So yeah, I mean, it's amazing to come back home.
Which I think is also the reason, why you're putting out a lot of throwback photographs. Now, there's just the third post from the current day that a group of friends all dressed in white और मतलब pose मार रहे हैं सबके सब, मतलब सब में टशन इतना भरा हुआ है. What was it?
So yeah, this is about 16, 17 years back, maybe. Maybe little, 15 तो definitely हो गए हैं उसको. And yeah, I mean, those are my school, college friends. So we just got together and then got ourselves clicked, and it was amazing to kind of revisit those pictures. And you're right about it, because I'm in Chandigarh, I got time to be in my room and catch hold of stuff from my almirah and see, oh my God, where did this come out from? So, it's amazing to revisit those days. It's amazing to revisit those pictures. And I have a few more in my gallery now, which I'm gonna kind of, I've taken a picture of all those pictures, and I'm gonna post them very, very soon.
Yeah, in fact, I was coming to that. You also had goatee problem. मतलब lockdown में there's Apar Shakti talking about goatee problem. What is that? The picture is interesting.
Yeah. उस टाइम पे एक्चुअली गोटी रखी हुई थी, तो मैंने सिर्फ एक वर्ड प्ले करने के लिए गोटी प्रॉब्लम कर दी. बट यार, आई थिंक आई विल नॉट रियली, I wouldn't want to term lockdown as a problem or any problem as a problem for that matter. I don't use words like problem or struggle, or life is life and such is life. कुछ ना कुछ तो plus minus होता ही रहेगा यार. At the end of the day, you just have to try to make 2 and 2 4. That's about it.
Yes. So we're going through, some of the posts that you've put out on social media and trying to understand, how 2020 year has been for you. Now, Diwali was a very special occasion. So was, for Khurana family. और मतलब उसमें भी एक सूरज बरजातिया की जो फैमिली और आदर्श परिवार उसकी झलक दिख रही है. अब आप उसकी झलक के बारे में बताओ, with and without mask.
यार, actually, last year, very randomly, we all got ourselves clicked. My junior from school, Harsheen Jammu, she's a brilliant photographer, and I am pass out and a very bright kid. She's also really close friends with my wife. So we were just talking and we were like, yaar, humne jaise last time pictures ki thi na, is baar karni hai. And if at all we get all of it, if we all are together at that point of time, we all click a family picture. This was 2 years back. And then after that, very by chance, I thought, okay, let's have a proper family picture this time. And then I spoke to my stylist, Jay Samuel, I spoke to Shantanu Nikhil, we all got together on a call, and we thought, okay, this is what we want to do. Ivory is the, the color we want to go with.
तो इस संस्कारी परिवार में प्रेम तो आप ही है, because from what I know, from all the interviews I've seen, सबसे easily जो रो लेता है, जो बहुत ही emotional है, that has to be अपार शक्ति खाना. हर मूवी पे रो देते हैं, and every movie is good for you. मतलब you are the right audience.
Oh God, I'm definitely the right audience. And yeah, I think I'm wired very differently. मैं माँ पे गया हूँ actually. So especially when it comes to the emotional connect, I just cry in a jiffy. Yeah, I mean, and thankfully my parents never said as a kid कि लड़के रोते नहीं हैं. They didn't say that to me. I still cry on little things, and I'm very happy about the fact that I have my emotional burst, and and I cry when I want to cry. It's fine. It's just human to cry, and now sometimes people make fun of it. It's fine. जिसको जो ठीक लगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. Yeah, tell me.
Such an interesting name, Apar Shakti. But people also call you Aparikshit. And मैं खुद सोच रही थी कि मैं आपको कैसे रेफर करूं? Should I call you Aparikshit sir?
Yeah, maybe you can. First of all, you can never call me sir. You should always call me Apar. Yeah, Aparikshit. See, what happens is Apar Shakti is a very unusual name. A lot of people haven't heard of it. And yes, my dad thought a lot before naming me. But of course, when you have an unusual name, the good side is that okay, it is an unusual name. The bad side is that people will end up mispronouncing it, misspelling it, and you know, doing a lot of things with it. So yes, most of the people, because लोगों ने परीक्षित और अपरीक्षित ज्यादा नाम सुना हुआ है, तो वो हमेशा मुझे काफी बार बोल देते हैं. So hence I did a video on it. I thought why not, you know. आजकल ऐसा होता है ना यार, सिंपल सी बात तो ये है, all of us are just so organic in our approach, you know, in our creative upbringing, that जिस चीज से मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है उसी को ही वापस बोल दो आप.
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, there was a time where you know, people back to back addressed me as a supporting actor. So I had a tagline in my bio on Insta that I'm a proud supporting actor. So you know, and I was thinking of renaming my Insta handle as a Parashakti supporting actor Khurana. So I mean, you know, that's so how does it matter? How does it matter? I wanted to be an actor, and I'm an actor. I'm really happy about it. I mean, it doesn't matter to me if I'm a supporting actor or a junior artist or anything for that matter. I'm in front of the camera and I'm having a good time. That's what matters to me. And if somebody's making fun of it, let's have fun with it.
Which is so true and you know so inspiring as well. Another thing, तो अभी कभी अगर if अंदाज अपना अपना had to be made in Punjabi, which character would you want to play? मतलब मैंने तो वो sequence देख लिया.
Yeah, I've been an Amir Sir fan, and I think he totally nailed it. Yeah, but अगर अमर प्रेम दोनों पूछो मुझसे, तो मुझे लगता है साथ में अगर पंजाबी में बनानी है, somebody like a Parmish Verma who is quite a style icon in Punjab, loves his music, he has quite a funny bone, and I love his work. So I think somebody like would do complete justice to it. So or maybe Varun Chucha. Yeah. You know, he has that Punjabi funny bone, and he's a friend, and we know each other really well. We know each other's timings really well.
Oh, nice shirt, yeah. Where? किधर लेती है? London?
Thanks, bro. Yeah, उधरों England तो.
Oh, England तो. Nice, yeah.
Oh, nice jacket, यार. Let me tell you, it's from Melbourne.
No way. तू गया नहीं होना यार. Australia तो है की.
Australia तो.
Yeah, Australia तो है. Yeah.
You know, you shared another photo, you know, with you and brother Ayushmann, and that was like your first photo shoot, where the hairstyles were meant as very controversial.
Yeah. Absolutely.
क्या था वो इतना controversial hairstyle तो नहीं लगा मुझे. It was pretty decent.
I meant that okay, people with that term that okay, it will be controversial. I meant okay, people will first notice this and they're like, oh dude, इनके बाल कैसे लग रहे हैं? So yeah, it was just an off term for that. That's it, you know. If I wouldn't have used that term, you wouldn't have spoken about it. So it was that actually.
And the sibling, you know,
you wouldn't have remembered it and you wouldn't have spoken about it. Yeah, you know, when we were kids, we always used to do this while growing up, you know. Where do you come from, Divya? You're a Bombay girl?
No, I'm from Delhi, but I'm a true Punjabi. So I'm a Delhi Punjabi.
Okay, so in Delhi it used to be Aao Milo Shilo Shalo.
In Punjab,
in Chennai it used to be Aam.
Yeah.
It used to be आम ले लो सेलम साली, आम ले लो सेलम साली, पेड़ की डाली मामा लाए 44 की सड़क, दिल धड़क धड़क होते बैठा सी शराबी हो दिया कसी गुलाबी, A for आटा, B for बाटा, C for चाटा, D for डाकू, पेट वाला चाकू, आए मेरे बाबू. So yeah, I mean, you know, in Punjab, every city has a different version of it, you know. So yeah, we are no different, and बचपन में ये सब किया करते थे यार हम. We thought okay, let's do this. So and now I do it with my niece and my nephew, my wife, and everybody. So
wow.
I think these are little things. That's something which, you know, जो हम चंडीगढ़ की बात कर रहे हैं कि चंडीगढ़ आए हैं, पुरानी बातें यादें ताजा हो रही हैं. This is also a part of it, and yeah, I mean ये सब होना चाहिए यार. It keeps the kid inside you, you know, going, and keeps the kid inside you, you know, up and kicking.
तो आपके पास तो वो किकली कलीर दी पग मेरे वीर दी वो भी आता होगा.
वो भी आता है मुझे तो.
वो भी कर दो, उसका भी रैप.
मुझे सारी चीजें आती है, और मुझे एक और वो आता है बचपन में ना, जब स्कूल में ना इंटर स्कूल म्यूजिक कंपटीशन होता था, तो ना बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स स्टैंड इन अ रो एंड ना हाथ यहाँ पे रख के हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं, गंगा यमुना ब्रह्मपुत्र कृष्ण कावेरी, जाके हुए सागर में मिले, जाके मिले सागर में हुए सब एक हैं। So, जितने भी स्कूल टाइम पे हमने जितनी भी यू नो पोएम्स एंड द म्यूजिक एंड जितना कुछ सीखा हुआ है वो सब याद है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, अभी हमने चंडीगढ़ में उसको रिविजिट किया। So my mom is from Myanmar, which was Burma earlier. So she taught a little bit of Burmese to us, me and Ayush Bhaiya. तो मैं और आयुष भाई एक साथ बैठ के हम उस दिन गा रहे थे घर पे। There's a little rhyme on parrot in Myanmar, in Burmese language, which goes like चट्टुए आगोमी कंकला कोची मच्छी भाने को बैको मी भाजी लामा प्यो पैसे जीने खो खो खो। So इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग तो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन पैरट के ऊपर है। अदरवाइज अगर चाय पीनी है किसी ने तो बोलते हैं लफे तोमला। So I mean we were revisiting those languages and those fun moments which we had as a kid.
Right. Two more fun moments that I want to discuss. One is कि आपने एक और चीज बोला था कि anybody can book us. There's a video where you're beating the dhol and you're saying that pre-booking for post-pandemic times. मतलब ये भी business शुरू हो गया खुराना फैमिली में।
यार पैसे तो कमाने हैं ना यार दिव्या। At the end of the day, it all boiled down to that, यार। There's a very, very nice song in Punjab. यहाँ के एक रंजीत बावा करके पंजाबी सिंगर हैं, बहुत कमाल के। उनका एक गाना है, the line itself has a lot of meaning. It says, रोटी खादी आ के नहीं कल्ली माँ पुछदी किन्ने डॉलर कमाए बाकी सारे पुछ ले। It is such a nice, relevant line, and it'll always be the same, in any era, in any part of the world. Only mom will call you and ask you, बेटे खाना खाया कि नहीं खाया। बाकी दुनिया तो यही जानना चाहती है कि आप पैसे कितने कमा रहे हो। So yeah, that's also an important part of life. तो ढोल बजाने के लिए तैयार है। अपार शक्ति खुराना ढोल बजाने के लिए पहुंच जाएगा पैसे कमाने के लिए।
और चाहे कुछ भी हो तब भी अपार शक्ति चाय तो पिएगा फीकी, लेकिन खाएगा साथ में एक पैकेट ऑफ बिस्किट। I mean, when I read that, I was like, this is me. This is so me. This is what I do. I'll be like, no sugar.
I do that every day. अभी ये मेरा स्टेपल है यार। मैं दिन में 4 कप चाय पीता हूँ फीकी, साथ में 4 पैकेट बिस्किट के खत्म करता हूँ, और फिर मैं सुबह उठ के भागता हूँ। And yeah, I mean, I love it, and that's true for most of us, है ना? हम ऐसे hypocrites हैं, हम सारे के सारे ऐसे hypocrites हैं। नहीं, दूध में चीनी नहीं डालनी, पर साथ में खा जाएंगे 2 पिनिया, 1 पैकेट बिस्किट, and I think, yeah, I mean, that's the fun of it, है ना? यही तो मजेदार लाइफ है।
Right. Thank you so much, Apar, for speaking to us, and
Pleasure is all
was interesting.
Pleasure is all mine, Dev, and I must tell you, I mean, your homework was so on point. First of all, I did not get to know कि मैंने इतना time spend कर लिया आपके साथ. Secondly, one after the other, you knew what to talk, you knew what to say, and you had your prep ready, which is amazing. Not a lot of people do that, especially in my space. They do all the prep for all the A-listers. They don't do prep for the other actors.
No, you are an
Thank you so
A-lister.
much. Big hug and love you for that.
But thank you so much. Thank you. Take care.
Take care, Baba. Take care, Baba.